Okay, hello, whatever you are, and good evening, good night, good morning. So today we're going to do something different. And many a times when I start up my computer, those that have been around with me, you hear the computer trying to greet me or say something. Or you watch movies online and you see in the movies the devices or the computers usually greet their owners or say something and kind of amazing and cool. So you might be wondering how to do it, wanting to know how to do it. So today we're going to do it using the Visual Basic Scripting. So we're just going to write a few lines of scripts and we're going to carry that over to our startup menu. That is, we're going to put it in a folder that contains programs that start up when our computer boots. So let's get started and get it easy going. So I have some steps here for you if you want to follow, and I'll try to put some illustrations in the as we go through. So basically we are going to tap this few lines of code. It's a Visual Basic Scripting code. So basically we're just going to change this part. So now I'm just going to open Notepad. You can open Notepad by searching Notepad. You can search Notepad here. It's going to open. You can also get Notepad using the Windows key and arrow to run, and just tap Notepad. Notepad is going to open. You can as well open Notepad using the command Notepad. So Notepad will also open from here. So many ways you can open Notepad if you don't know how to open it. Then after we open Notepad, let's get it done quickly. We open Notepad, we can tap this code, or since I have it, you just copy it and then you paste it into your Notepad dialog box. So here we're going to change this part. You can put whatever you want the computer to say. You're going to say it and using your own computerized voice. So here we can just put anything and say Chayo Chana. Yeah. So we can just put anything, and whatever we want to put, we can put it within this quotation. And then we save as. So here we going to choose all files. And then we put in, tell the name of the file with an extension of .vbs. So we can say ctgu.vbs. Okay, and you just hit save, because we want to we'll take that file from the location where we save it. So hope you know that where we save it. Again, we save it in music. Alright, so we'll come back for it to send it where we want to send it. So that's it. You just tap this few lines if you don't have access to this, but if you need it, you can just reach out to me and I'm going to send to you. But I think it's easier. You can just tap it, similar as it is. So we close this guy, and then we have to follow this path. So if you are using Windows XP or older versions of Windows, you can follow this path. On your C drive, you go to Document and Settings, All Users, or maybe a specific user, and you can go to Startup menu, Program, Startup, and yeah, it's going to take you there. But if you're using Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows Vista, you can follow this path. So let us go through. So you just go to, I'm using the Windows key and arrow. Windows key and arrow is going to take me to my computer, or you can open my computer. So just double click here on your drive C. So drive C, we don't look for users. users. We find a user that we want to put that code or that strip, onto it. You want to do it for all the users on your computer, you can do that. For the specific user, you can also do that. So we're going to do it for this user called Lana. Double click on him, and here you look for app data. If for some guys, your computer, this folder is going to be hidden. So to show that folder, you come to View, Options, and change this guy and do View here. You click on this one, Show Hidden Folders or Files, and then you disable this one. So make sure that every one of them here are all disabled, and you apply it and OK. So mine is already showing, so there's no need. So you double click on it, and you open Roaming. Then we open Microsoft Windows, and then we open Start menu into Programs to Start Up. So it is here we're going to now paste that script. So let's try to go back to the strip and see where we can find it. So you save it in Music or wherever you save it, but for me I save it in Music. So we'll go to Music, and then this is it, CDG, the VBS. You can listen to it.
GIU China. GIU China.
So using a computerized voice, so don't expect it to pronounce all of your Chinese tones.
GIU China.
Okay, so you can put whatever you want to put in there.
GIU China.
Alright. So we copy this guy, and then we paste it in here. There you go. So after this, once you restart the computer, it's going to say GIU China. But I already have something on my system already, so I don't need this. So you just from here, you are done from here. But now you have to do something, because there is some kind of a water inside in the system. So you have to go to Control Panel. Let me take you there. You can search Control Panel. So we're going to the sound. Alright, so sound, and here you choose no sound, because it's going to play the default sound, winner sound. So you just choose no sound, and you disable this guy, and you just say OK. So it's going to make the voice from that very clear. And so far so good. That's it. Once you restart a computer, I cannot do it now because the video is going to get lost. So that's it. Anything you don't understand, you can, if you want CDG Campus, you can inbox me, and whatever you are part of the world, you can message me through any other means. So this is it. So there are many things you can do with the Visual Basic Scripting. So for today's session, that's all for it, and thanks for watching. Guru B all day, every day.